Hello everyone. Welcome to Bliss Yoga by Bijal with me, Bijal Ritesh Maru. How is the week going to be from the 8th to the 14th of August? Well, like last week, the energy of this week also is boom. As you, if you have listened to the energy message of the month of August, you will know that August basically is a very energetic month. So yes, the energy continues. Everything will be very quick paced. Anything that you wish to do or anything that you've taken up in your hands is going to see rhythm and growth and results quite fast. So don't waste the energy. Use it. Make sure that you plan and then execute everything. Make sure that everything is in your control. Once you do that, you do a proper planning and a proper execution, the results have to and definitely have to come by your side. So it's a very energetic week. Everything that you feel like doing, definitely it can work out. Just strategize, plan, and work hard. Also, it's you may be probably very authoritative, you may feel authoritative, you may be in control of yourself and others, or it may be that you may be under the control of someone authoritative on you. Either of the ways it will work for your benefit, as it will make you more planned, more strategic, and would help you get closer to your results. Along with all this, it is also very necessary to spend some time in solitude this week, each and every single day. Why I say that is because the way and the rhythm in which we are seeing the world or situations around us is drastically changing. There is some shift which is happening within each and every one of us at a universal level. So, those who really believe in it and those who really want to see that transition happening within so that it reflects on your outside, please spend some time in solitude every day. This will give you the clarity of how to take the path ahead. This will give you an understanding to help you change your projections towards the thoughts, contemplations, or even some judgments that you had about people or situations in the past, or how you want to tackle with them in future. So this is going to be a real pedestal to take ahead, which is going to help you of how to take things ahead from here. So, a beautiful week full of energy, full of rhythm, full of positivity, full of success, provided you work hard, you stay in control, you plan, you strategize, and yes, self contemplation every day. Very, very important. So, I really hope all these guidelines help you have a lovely week ahead. And your personal zodiac messages, follow this video as you know. Please do read them here, or you can have a look at them at our Insta FB page at Bliss Yoga by Bijal. And for personal readings, you can always DM me. So I'll see you again next week. Till then, have a lovely day and a lovely